Hi, my name is Fahad and I make videos on the main channel Life as Usual. What you're watching now is the second channel of Life as Usual. This channel is a bit more relaxed and stuff happening behind the scene. I want to take a break from this engine since I released a video in the weekend on trying to fix the V8 and I really want a break. So the 3 liter, you guys asked about it and I'm gonna give you a video about it. I have been dailying it on a daily basis, but we've got a slight problem, let me tell you. So many of you wanted to hear the engine and I'm gonna turn the engine for you now. You can hear it, it's nice and it's clear. There's no knocking and I'm gonna rev it. Actually, why don't you open the bonnet for you? Let me open the bonnet. So I hope you can hear me from the engine noise. I have a delivery mic, so hopefully you can hear me. The engine, you can hear no knocking noise. It's all clear. Let me show you in the back. You can see no smoke whatsoever. I can put my hand here, absolutely zero smoke. In the morning when I turn it on, there is a little bit of of white smoke coming out, but this is because the engine is still fresh and I didn't clean the DPF yet. So that's the situation, but the car is actually doing very well. There is a slight problem though. Let me show you. So obviously I cannot show you now because the car doesn't want to show you. But basically I have a suspension fault. I put the diagnostic tool and I sent an email to myself with diagnostic information. Let me show you. Let's go inside and we'll come back out. Now I know a suspension fault is a scary fault for everyone and you're gonna panic, but don't worry, no need to panic. Honestly, it's a really easy system. A lot of people make a big deal out of it. It's not. You just need a diagnostic tool. I use Launch. I'm gonna give them credit as well in this video. They have sent me this device for free. They don't know I'm doing this video, but I like to use the device. It's been working out for me. I sent an email on what the problem is. You can see here the code is C1A1364 and it's saying pressure does not decrease when venting gallery. So when I copy the code and go into the manual, it will tell me something about the air suspension exhaust or the rear valve block. That means something is to do with the compressor. This is a scary device. I know it looks scary, but it's not. You see, this is a compressor. The compressor, what it does, it sucks air from outside and it compresses the air. This is a tank and it puts the air here ready for me to use. And underneath there's a valve it releases the air from. When it collects air from the atmosphere, you'll have moisture in the air. So sometimes you can get that moisture. If you don't vent it from underneath, it will collect that moisture and it will rust the tank. And it's the same thing goes with the car. The car has a small teeny tiny compressor in the back in the boot, and then you have a tank underneath the car ready to be deployed to all of the 4 airbags, to the suspension airbag. Let me show you actually. So you see here, this is an airbag. It looks like a football that it just blows up and it inflate and deflate. It's a very simple system, and it has hoses like no, not this one, but there has hoses on the top that goes into the compressor and into the tank. Really simple system. So this is the compressor like I showed you. The tank is underneath the car, so forget about the tank, but this is the compressor and it looks big and looks humongous, but don't worry, it's not scary. There are 17,000 million clips over here. All you have to do is remove them, collect them, don't lose them. You may lose one, but don't lose them. They're all around, and all you have to do is remove this, and look, this is the compressor. It's a simple down, and the compressor breathes from here. This is a filter. You can change that filter to service the compressor. This is where it sucks air, and air comes out from here. Now you can see here, it looks different for me. I'll show you why. So this has, I'll tell you the story. This was here, okay, and this is where it's like the exhaust. This is the valve, okay? The air exits from here. But in my case, this has blown off and it broke. It was just broken a little bit and it completely broke. And the reason is because this, it looks like a cork, basically is blocked and the air is not coming out. And there was too much pressure inside, and what's happening, it snapped from here. I think it was just glued in. I don't know if it comes from a manufacturer like this or maybe someone messed around with it, but it looks like it's being glued in or so on. And this is the old style. You can see here, there's no hole or anything like that. The new style is slightly different. This is the package for the new style, okay? This is the number. Okay. And I'll show you how it looks like. And you see there's a hole in the middle?
Yes.
Okay, this is how it looks like. So maybe if you get your old one and drill a small hole, maybe it'll look like this, and that's an upgrade. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna glue it, put this one back and close this. Now on the way to the dealer, when I wanted to get a replacement, I have actually removed this cork. I've actually removed it and I kept it open like this, and throughout the journey I did not have any fault. I cleared the fault and there's literally just no more fault. It's gone. So I know the fact that this is the problem here. It was just clogged up. I put air compressor here. I tried to compress the air. I tried to get air out. There is no way for the air to come out of them here. So I know this is the problem. So all I have to do now is glue it, put it back here and tighten it. And that should fix the problem 100%, okay? And we'll put this one back and we'll put the million clips and that's it. This is a really simple solution. When you face a problem like this in the suspension system for the Range Rover, don't panic. Honestly, there's nothing to panic about. Over here, the whole compressor can be replaced, by the way. It's just a compressor, look. I'm sure when you're young, you had a compressor to fill your football or your bicycle. It's just a simple, teeny tiny compressor. It has a wire so you can control it, and it has a pipe here so it can push air into the air suspension. It is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, maybe it's not entertaining, but it's very useful information, and I hope someone is learning here. I look forward to seeing you on the main channel. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.